everyone, and thank you so much for joining my channel. This is Rocky, and so today we're talking about some of my favorite things. So we're gonna just dive right into it, just so the suspense is over. The very first thing I want to talk about are these lovely slippers that are behind me, and these are from the company Dearfoams. Dearfoams is, I think, a staple in most households in terms of slippers. But for me, I've fallen in love with them over the course of the pandemic because I'm working from home. And of course, I don't want to walk around barefoot. So my Dearfoams have come in clutch. Every day on social media, I post my outfit of the day, and I will be dressed, full on dressed in an entire outfit. And at the bottom, I'm popping on my Dearfoams because that's how I, cap off my outfits every day. I'm not gonna wear shoes in my house. The Dearfoams have come in clutch. Now, I've been posting my outfits of the day with slippers for over a year at this point. And a couple months ago, Dearfoams reached out to me and said, "Hey babe, we are absolutely loving your outfits of the day. You're killing it. And we love that you're teaming them with our Dearfoam slippers. So how about we send you a couple pairs, and we want to see just how creative you can be with your outfits of the day with a couple more pairs that you really love." I was like, what? Say what? And pounced on that opportunity and picked out a few pairs that I loved. I'm gonna start with my fave, and that's the pink ones here. These are a dusty pink slipper. These are all true to size, and I got these in a size 6. And these were awesome. So comfortable. Oh my gosh, it's like a dream. I mean, putting these on, you may want to go right back to sleep. They're so comfy. So these are the slide version of your slippers that you'd wear at home. And the prices are really reasonable. The quality is really great because, like I said before, I already rock Dearfoams on my day-to-day. But I picked this one because there are a lot of my outfits that have like pinks and pastels or reds or something where I feel like a pink slipper would go well. I literally just before Dearfoam reached out to me, I told my husband, I'm like, I need more slippers. The slippers I have don't match all my outfits. And he's like, what are you talking about? You sound crazy. He said, you only have one pair of feet. Why? And you're only in the house. Why do you need more? And I'm like, because I do. I'm wearing like outfits. They need to match. So he was not feeling it. He was not understanding it. I wanted him to buy them for me, and he didn't. And so this came in right on time. The other pair I feel is my more neutral pair, and I don't have anything like this, but these are a pair of like moccasin slash loafer slash driving shoe slash these are just awesomeness. I ended up sizing up on this because I just don't know how the fit is on these, and I should not have. These are true to size. So when you do buy them, don't size up. But I did size up on this, and they do slip a bit. So I'll probably have to, these are the ones that you wear socks with if you have to do anything that sitting around. I guess it's fine. It's not like they're gonna fly off my feet. But if I need to do any type of movement, I did incorrectly size up. So true to size. These again are just like the others in the sense of super comfortable. Like I put my foot in this and was like, oh, I'm not even kidding. So now next time when I do like my montage of, outfits of the day, you will see these make their appearance, and I will be matching a whole lot better because I have my 2 new pairs of Dearfoam slippers. The other cool thing that I did, at least that I thought was pretty fun, is that I shot a few stories on Instagram. So like my thank you to the brand and my commercial to the shoes, because I want everyone else to go and get some Dearfoams. I did a few silly videos on IG, so I'll share those with you now.
Time for the percolator. It's 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 time for the percolator. Percolator. Everybody get on the floor. Everybody get.
You guys know I love music and I love to dance, so it's no surprise that I would have done something like that. So anyway, on to the next things. The last thing I want to talk about today is a purchase that I recently made from Mercari, Poshmark. I can never remember, but these people who sell on these platforms are serious. Me, that's probably why my rating isn't that great, but like, she put this in this pretty paper and put it like a little envelope with the thank you. I just throw things in the pack and be like, here you go. But she packages really nicely, and this item fills a gap in my wardrobe. I've actually wanted and needed this for years now, and I'm just now getting around to finding the perfect pair. But this is a pair of military pants, and the reason why I say it's perfect is because it's more of a lighter shade. If you can tell, I don't know if you can tell that, but it is the typical colors, but it's more of a, it leans towards the tans and the tans and taupe and cream kind of a family, even though it does have the khaki and khaki green in here. I got this in a size 0. I love the fit of these. They have just the right amount of looseness. I like that you're able to cuff these to show a bit of the ankle. I pretty much like cuffing all of my pants. I've come to that conclusion. But these are perfect. These will go with so many different things because it's a lighter shade. You know, I can pair it with just about any color because I'll treat this as my neutral or my base. And I can pair this with just about any color. I have a coat slash jacket. It's more, I don't know, it's a coat slash jacket that is like a traditional military print, and I think that will go well with this and not make it all like uniform matchy. So I think that will be cool for my outerwear when I'm wearing this. So I'm just really pleased with the quality, the size, the fit. I think I ended up paying $7 for these, which is great, and they were new with tags, so it's still has the tags in it. So I am fine with this. I don't know what brand this is. It's called OODJI Bahama Lawakiki. I don't know, but it's the type of pants that I wanted, so I didn't really care about. It was the price and the style that I wanted. I didn't care about the brand. So that's it for today's video. Really quick, I just want to say another special thank you to Dearfoams for the slippers. They are perfect, and I can't wait to start styling them. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share it with your friends. Hit that like button. Come back now. Bye.